fucked up. Boy go struggle, collect a number, I don't remember call him again. Everybody dey baba. Girls dey manage, go give them money for Uber. She go enter halfway, trek halfway. Stella say she dey get, I go meet her, her leg dey dusty. You go play ball. Men dey cut down on things. Big men they go sack their gate man, sack house girl just to protect things. I go my chairman house the other day, big man. He put polo for shoulder, they try make pikin sleep. Tutu bobo. Bobo tutu. Bobo tutu. Baby bobo. They don't sack nanny, baba. It isn't a baby.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
I mean, a Port Harcourt boy, everybody they weeder for this Port Harcourt. Even conductor they weeder. If conductor 1,000 naira, I go say weeder you not having change now. And there you see that conductor they merge two people. They don't stress yourself. Once you don't get change, they go just merge on. Say you give this guy 400, you give this guy 300. Last week for Rumo Corona, so they merge pastor with Ronsgirl, we get big nash. See where pastor carry Bible, he follow Ronsgirl for back. I want to take explain. Say na change you find. This Port Harcourt anyhow, baba. So weeks ago, MTN block our SIM. MTN block our SIM. Say we no do NIN. I can't think say Wizkid don't buy MTN because they use ear SIM. Anything SIM, baba no one here. Port Harcourt now they carry play. So I plan to call this show by 7. 2 of your guys go back by 5. Can't wait for your parlor. Because now you get full. Can't they follow your children and watch cartoon with no plan. And children of now, they're very smart. Because they ask you, Uncle, are you really my daddy's friend? But they don't understand how you go be their papa friend and you don't get car. Iron sharp, no tire. Come on, make some noise, you enjoy me. Yes. Gone are the days, if you won't come once, you go come on your car for 5 minutes, where you want. Baba, once you put key, now, au revoir. If the engine won't spoil, may spoil. For fuel. You know they get one time they do jungle justice, they catch thief. Somebody go bring tire, somebody go bring fuel. Who won't bring fuel? How much to thief? Now then they advise you, but not do again. Still is not good. Fuel is too expensive, you can't even fuel your dream. Fucking expensive, man. Nigeria is stress person. When you go abroad, you go fit chase your dream. Once you in Nigeria, you say they chase you for dream. Don't be surprised. These big men, they don't get, they don't tell you, they know what, they go just avoid you until they get the money to give you. That's how they operate. Because they do a lot of things. They go buy fuel for house, buy for their company, buy for their wife shop, buy for their size chick shop. It's a lot. You know how many cars they fuel? I want to show, you know the way you want to show, like you go to follow your chairman up when they buy table with like Jehovah Witness. And they follow my chairman, anything when post for WhatsApp, I go write nice one. Then just they remember me. On Tuesday I go write we go again, I go write that's the spirit. On Wednesday I go write women crush Wednesday. He post something one day, network hold and the thing they load, he never open, now I write LOL. I don't know say my mama will die when post. Guy block me. Forever did they hail our mama Hilda Dokubo, where she's seated. He's an icon, I must respect you, mama. He's a round of applause for her mother. Now I do movie, where movie. That time when they cry, things never won't happen. You don't see condition of nothing. And now we need tears. You cry when nothing will happen. Come back now. You will see tears.
M.O.P.
Bro! Everywhere is fucked up. Boy go struggle, collect a number, I don't remember call him again. Everybody dey baba. Girls they manage, go give them money for Uber. She go enter halfway, trek halfway. Stella say she dey get, I go meet her, her leg dey dusty. You go play ball. Men they cut down on things. Big men they go sack their gate man, sack house girl just to protect things. I go my chairman house the other day, big man. He put polo for shoulder, they try make pikin sleep. Tutu bobo. Bobo tutu. Bobo tutu. Baby bobo. They don't sack nanny, baba. Everybody they call out on things. Even weekend they travel with band again. They tell me your band say, there is a DJ. Yeah. Who's DJ? Bro, everything. Now you go enter house and make you eat like this. Soup and stew don't finish. You go say, okay, make you drink tea. Papa, Milo and milk don't finish. When we small, now milk the first finish. And I'll come they use the container put crayfish until God answer on a prayer again. Now I don't know what I told them they plan, but more finish. You say, okay, make you leave for me, watch TV. Yes, this don't expire. And do you know that for your house, the most emotional thing is cooking gas? Bro, any day where you on gas, come the hell and say this gas don't last. Now that day they finish it. Good night, my name is M.O.P. Come on, do it.